Hi, good evening. I'm here right now in I'm Hotel, and I've just arrived in Manila last night from Cebu. And one of the perks here in I'm Hotel is that I could invite a guest. So I invited my friend to come to my hotel room and help me for the shoot. And as usual, he bought some of his perfumes. This one is the most expensive one. What you call this?
Parfum de Marly.
Parfum de Marly.
Delina.
Parfum de Marly Delina. So I can only read Delina here. Delina Parfum de Eau de Parfum. Whatever. Ito yung common. Jo Malone London. Then, of course, Deep Peak. Ito talaga yung basically ginagamit ng mga businessmen or corporate guys. So, Deep Peak. Last but not the least, this one is so trendy right now. It's Fashionably London from Zara. Diba? So, why did I mention these perfumes? Kasi sometimes a lot of people, a lot of my friends are wondering, bakit ang bango-bango ko daw? How can I afford some of the perfumes? Not only because I am borrowing some of the perfumes of my friend, but of course, there were some samples that can be bought to online. And I will show to you this coming weeks. I'll show you my secret. But for now, I'll show you my room. So, this is the classic deluxe room. As you can see, it is a wide bed, perfect for vacation and for travelers like me. It has an overlooking view in Makati. You can see some of the hotels here and some of the mga sikat na restaurants. It's a center point here in Makati, the I'm Hotel. Magugulat kayo guys sa coffee nila. Naubos ko na yung coffee. It's a drip type of coffee. Two kinds of coffee. So, makikita nyo wala tayong water bottle. It's because cost efficient and environmental friendly kasi yung I'm Hotel. So, we usually get our water dyan lang dito sa corridor. Nilalagay namin dito sa kettle if you want hot water. Meron din hot and cold water dun sa corridor. If you want na yung baso nyo lang yung i-refill ninyo. Aside from that, is we have this Gold Leaf Classic Tea. Ito yung mga complementary nila. Mga basic lang yan. We have ref, of course. And then, itong closet. Yan, umiilaw din siya pag binubuksan. Ito guys, yung bag ko, tinago ko siya kasi hindi nakakaganda. When I was in the reception, tinanong talaga ako nila, "Sir, where's your luggage?" Sabi ko, "Here is my luggage. It's the only luggage I have." So tumawa siya. Tinago ko lang siya kasi medyo nakakaano. Okay lang naman. If you want to have a laundry, I mean, gusto nyo magpalaba, meron silang laundry service. You can put your items here para walang magkawalaan ng mga damit ninyo or socks. Yan, naka-checklist yan, naka-inventory yan lahat. Dito naman, you can make use of the blower. Here is the blower, guys. And then, ang nakaka-surprise dito, as compared to other hotels, is this. Shoe shine. Kaya pala gustong-gusto nila itong hotel kasi there are some field workers like me na gusto mag-pa-shine ng shoes nila because of some corporate event. So, perfect to. Nalaman ko kasi ito sa post ni Sylvester C. He went to this hotel to have a staycation. Last but not the least is the bathroom. Ayan. Meron siyang mirror na para sa pag-makeup kayo, makikita niyo yung lagyan yung eyeliner. And then, yung sa skincare naman. I always bring my skincare, courtesy of my friend. Snail White, retinol, never forget. And then this Innisfree cream. May policy sila dito guys, if you want to replace the towel. If you want to replace your towel, you just put it in the floor. Once na makita ng housekeeping, they will replace the towel. If not, if they can see any towel here, they will not replace the towel. Another one is making use of the items here, like this one. Shampoo, conditioner, and then the bath gel. The same is true when it comes to your dental kits. Kailangan maubos mo na before they replace. And then, if you want to change your bed covers or linens, you just put your card here. Pag nakita nila na nandyan yung card, they will replace the linens and then the yung anong tawag ng punda. Hindi ko na ma-English. So, meron kaming buffet breakfast. They have a promo for 2 persons. So, 1,000 pesos for 2 persons. It's available, dinner buffet, Friday to Sunday. And luckily, Friday ngayon, holiday pa. So, we can have a dinner buffet with my friend. And later, mag-swimming kami. Sige, kain muna kami, guys. So here's our dinner buffet here in I'm Hotel. There are a lot of different cuisines here. So I no longer get some fried chicken kasi medyo full na rin ako. So we have here a pumpkin soup, shrimp tempura, don't know what you call this, pero
Biryani.
Biryani is biryani rice. And then we have fish. And then doon may salad bar. Meron din drinks doon. And you have a lot of choices of food that you can get in this buffet. So sulit din yung price. I was mistaken of the buffet promo because breakfast buffet pala siya, yung promo niya. So the dinner buffet was not included in the promo. So it's actually 2,100 I think for 2 persons. So okay na din. Sulit. So tara, kain na tayo. For those who book here in I'm Hotel, you'll receive a free complimentary cake. So I have chosen carrot cake versus the velvet cake, and then the other one which is popular here in I'm Hotel. Medyo hindi na ako masyadong sweet tooth, so pinili ko na itong carrot cake para hindi masyadong matamis. So tara, let's enjoy eating this carrot cake. Mali pa talaga yung spoon ko.
May dugong. May dugong. Oh, dugong. Kasi dugong. Nahirapan mo yan. Limutan. Ala, may tinapati. Ano? Ano yan? Baboy tas kalapati? Kuya.
Sperm. Dead, these are jellyfish. Hi guys, good morning. So, outfit ko for today is from top hanggang dito sa paa ko, Korean TikTok shop. Itong box polo, itong slacks, and then itong socks. Matibay po yung socks. Yan. Nakamura lang siya. Isang ano na yan, isang set ko na yun na nabili. Tapos, dito sa IM Hotel, very generous sila magbigay ng coffee. So, di ba kahapon, sipping coffee yung binigay sa akin. Ngayon naman, itatry natin tong coffee nila. Medyo generous sila magbigay Although may dala naman ako Nescafe Gold. Di na ako nag-avail ng buffet breakfast kasi busog na busog ako. Meron pang natirang carrot cake. Ito, complimentary gift, guys. So, ang ganda ng morning. Umuwi na yung friend ko around past 3 a.m. Kasi gumawa kami ng shoot dito. So, if ever na ma-encounter nyo yung yung iba kong post, may mga yellow basket doon. And if you feel na umorder kung mga products, yung mga sinusuot ko, you may do so. So, ako guys, medyo chubby. So, 103 kilograms ata ako. So, siya, perfect na perfect sa inyo. Merong different sizes to choose from. Very comfy siya. Very elegant. Tapos, yung design niya guys, yun yung gusto ko. Tingnan mo sa picture. Very lakas makaporma, diba? Tapos itong slacks, matibay din. Matagal ko na itong nabili sa TikTok shop. Shala, diba?